You shouldn't have to care what happens when you push a button on the wall. Only that the lights dim, the window shades close, and the projector screen reveals itself. You have more important things to worry about, like your students, your congregation, or your 9 a.m. Monday morning presentation. You shouldn't have to care, but we do. The engineers at ETC are focused on making the day-to-day technology of your system just happen. We know the people using our systems have more important things to worry about during the day. And although smaller spaces, like churches, classrooms, and offices, may only require a few circuits, they work just as hard, if not harder, than many large systems. Simple-to-use controls for everyday operation. That's when the Echo Room Controller becomes your ETC power solution. The Room Controller is available with 4 or 8 20-amp relay output options, with control for up to 16 zones and 16 spaces. Each terminal has an available hot output for power sensing and daisy chaining relay inputs. The smaller size of the panel, along with its plenum rating, make it ideal for tucking up inside a ceiling or around the corner and out of the way. Going green and conforming to energy management codes is an important reality in our world today. The Room Controller meets these requirements head-on. By accepting a dry contact input, the Room Controller is able to regulate the maximum power output per zone using demand response. In addition, a Unison Echo astronomical time clock can be mounted inside of the controller and programmed to control up to 50 astronomical or real-timed events, including holiday shutoff, building sweeps, and daylight harvesting. The Room Controller accommodates a number of system integration options. A dry contact input is available for UL 924 emergency systems. Load shedding options can be set per circuit with a 2-position switch. Each circuit can either include or exclude emergency zones. A rotary dial allows control of demand response settings to reduce overall power consumption. Voltage dividers allow normal and emergency power, as well as 120 and 277 volt power in the same controller. 0 to 10 volt dimming control is available per zone for control of fluorescent fixtures and other low voltage devices. A dry contact input has been included for AV control integration. And station bus power makes connecting up to 16 Echo Inspire button stations a breeze. Whether your system requires 1 circuit or 8, includes LEDs, fluorescents, or HIDs, uses time clock, shade control, or occupancy sensors, it just works. The Echo Room Controller was developed with the end user in mind. Simple control for a comprehensive system. From your first button push in the morning to the time the vacancy sensor turns off the system at night, the Echo Room Controller is your ETC power solution. For more information on the Unison Echo Room Controller, please see our website at etcconnect.com.